welcome back to our channel. I'm BJ1. Today, we're going to have a fun activity in searching for our next giveaway winner. The winner will get a brand new Greecho Cordless food processor, grinder, and blender combo. So, let's ask Alexa for a suggestion here. But first, I need to take a snapshot of Grogu before he took our camera away. Hey Grogu, look over here. I hope that will keep him quiet for a while. Now, let's ask Alexa for help with this giveaway. Alexa, start my giveaway helper.
Without any delay, we decided to have just two simple rules this time. First, you must be a subscriber to our channel, Miss Robot, and secondly, you must enter a comment to tell us what is your favorite Jibo video in our channel that you enjoyed watching the most. Then, we will take note of your favorite video, and we'll spin the wheels to find a lucky winner of Greecho Cordless food processor and blender combo. Good luck everyone. Alexa out.
Thank you, that was very helpful.
You bet. Hope your Tuesday
Boy,
is going
that was
well.
easy. Also, there's no right or wrong answer. Just make sure that you have a correct video title when commenting the video that you enjoyed watching the most. Other than that, just have fun, and good luck to you all. We will announce the winner soon, so don't wait, it only takes a minute to enter your comment. As always, thank you all for participating in this giveaway. We will see you soon with the winner of this giveaway.